What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix. And here is in a shock that, yeah, we are in beta testing, fixing issues now, finally.
Hey Gektev, thanks for joining.
Oh, Gagdev said, oh, I love his punctuality. All right, so, yeah, I hope you all had a really good weekend, as in a long weekend, although it wasn't really long. It
Not
was a
long
bit short.
enough. Not
Yeah.
long enough.
No, no, no long enough. But hey, another one, another this weekend will be a long weekend as well because Monday is Anzac Day.
What is it?
It's Anzac Day.
What's that?
Don't ask me. I just know there's a public holiday. That's all.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but that'll be. I think it's something to do with Australia and New Zealand as in combined. Yeah. All right. So
Oh,
first and
yeah.
foremost, let's do the acknowledgement of the country and pay our respects to the elders. So here we go. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. That was brilliant. Smooth as sand. All right. No, I should probably say smooth as silk. That makes a lot more sense, isn't it? I don't know where I came from. Smooth as
This
sand.
this project is as it's as smooth as sand.
Oh, hilarious, hilarious. All right, cool. So, yeah, so today, how about if you choose a background? I
Let's.
was
How
gonna
about
say
we? Well,
background noise, no music.
yeah, let's let. How about we let the viewers? Hey, Convar. How about we let the viewers choose the background noise today?
Ah, that would be a great idea. Yeah, Canva, you're up
Pick a letter.
from A to Z.
By the way, I looked at Anzac Day. It's like a Memorial Day for veterans,
Ah, yeah,
essentially.
yeah, it's coming back to me now slowly.
But yeah, okay, letter R.
Okay, cool. So, oh, rock. Here we go.
Good old rock one. Is our next project going to be the StreamYard Spotify integration?
Maybe if they pay us $5 million, why not?
All right, I'll do it for 5.
Hell yeah, why not? All right. So yeah, today we're gonna be focusing on the rest of the fixes that we need to do. So first of all, we're gonna open Jira. So do you wanna go for it, Tori?
You want me to share my screen?
Yeah, because I'm still having problems with sharing the screen.
Oh,
That's why.
really? Is it
Yeah,
Chrome?
yeah, it's Chrome.
Is it Mac?
It's not allowing me to do it, as in Chrome isn't allowing
Mac.
me to share the
Mac.
screen.
All right.
um, Yagdev finishes a new intro is still hopefully a work in progress. It will be here as
He's working
soon
hard on
as
it.
he can. Yeah,
He's going all in
really
on it.
hard.
So,
All in 100%.
yeah. That's actually why he wasn't able to make the show yesterday. He's working
Yeah,
so hard on
he pulled a overnighter and then
it.
two overnights for two slides,
In a
and I
row.
was like, wow, I love your dedication. All right, cool.
Okay, we're in Jira.
Do you wanna do the WebSocket thing, as in extend the WebSocket timings, or as in WebSocket time needs to be extended.
Wait, really?
Like,
Wait, is somebody having
is
an
it hard?
issue? You got to do.
So we basically discussed
Yeah,
this
that's a big
way
one.
back, and you actually said that is disconnecting the person if they're
2 hours.
not active for probably a few minutes.
Oh,
So
gotcha.
that's
I
where
thought
the
you meant.
idea came from.
Gotcha. So, yeah, there's also the maximum limit set by AWS, which I think is like 2 hours or something.
Okay, 2 hours
So I
should be
thought you were
fine.
talking about that. Yeah, it should be fine.
Okay,
Uh,
cool then. That's fine then. We
for
don't
for
really need to worry about that.
for this, I think they get disconnected after 10 minutes if they're idle. If that's, I think that's what you're referring to.
Yeah.
So I'm not great with WebSockets, but I think typically what you do is, I think they call it like a heartbeat. So you send this like ping pong every so often just to keep the connection from going idle and then disconnecting.
Ping pong. Okay, I
It's
haven't heard
almost like
about that one.
polling, I would say. It's kind of similar to polling. So
Oh,
basically,
okay, right.
you just want to say, hey, I'm not gone. Like, I'm still around. Like, don't disconnect me.
Yeah, we can probably do that one. Do you know how easy or hard that is?
Um, let's take a look. I don't think it's too bad, to be honest. Ping pong. Writing
That'll be back up.
website service.
When a ping is received, the recipient must send back a pong. Ah, that's a new concept.
Just bish bash bosh on the website.
That's exactly what we're doing. Like the bishing, bashing, boshing.
Client handshake, server response, keeping track of clients, exchange, blah 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 blah. Okay, maybe it's in here.
Create website object.
Did that?
Yep,
Actioner.
report that. Sending data to the server. Yep.
Using
Transfer.
JSON.
Yeah,
Blah blah
record that.
blah. Close.
Closing the connection. How about
Let
if
me
you go to the first link? Because they said the actual definition as well.
Oh, they did?
I think so. From what I saw.
Oh, pings and pongs. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
This is it.
Pings and pongs, the hardware or WebSocket. Either the cloud or server can choose.
Here, I'll make it bigger. Oh.
When the ping is there's a message. You can make sure that the client is still connected. Ping. Batch control for pings happen when you get back upon. So how do we implement it? We know what that is now. How about if we Google?
So you can use this to make sure the client is still connected, for example. So WebSocket
ping pong
client send ping.
Why did I say WebSocket ping pong? Send ping frame to a server.
I thought it. I'm gonna go back to the MDM because I think it might be there in the API,
Mm-hmm.
the WebSockets API, or they might have an example. WebSocket message event. I've done it. I did it before. It's just been a long. It's like more than a year. Is this what I
How
already
about if
clicked?
you go and type in Google implement WebSocket ping pong? That's what it might come up. Probably.
Okay. Yeah. Well. I will do that. Send. I wonder if it's under. If you don't mind, I'm just gonna see if it's under.
Yeah.
Send. Nope. That's sending a message, of course. Message open, close, error, hold back. Okay.
So, Jack, though we're not really in dev mode. So Tori actually raised this issue a while ago that when the user is, when the users are connected to a WebSocket, to a board, if anyone's idle, then the WebSocket connection terminates itself. So we're just basically implementing probably a WebSocket ping pong to eliminate that bug. Because if Tori tested it, it happened, it will happen in prod as well.
I didn't test it. Who tested it?
I thought you said that, oh, by the way, if the user stays idle, it does disconnect.
Oh yeah, I think that is what will happen. Yeah.
Okay, so we're just basically implementing the fix for that, right?
The WebSockets, do they work in prod? Do they work? Are they all fixed? WebSocket currently looks broken.
What? Huh? Well, hang on. Do you wanna, Tori?
Yeah.
Do we wanna test the WebSockets first now? Because I don't remember it's broken. It's fixed. Unless I am missing something. So if you wanna create a board and then send me the link of that.
What was the board we were using? Dev board?
Hang on, I'll tell you. It would be in my Postman.
Yeah, it might be the wrong API gateway URL. That's probably the problem.
But I made sure I changed it when deploying it. Interesting.
Well, I uploaded the still front end JS to S3 in the last show, but maybe I didn't have the right.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. Yeah, because when I did it, I manually had to copy and paste it and then upload it. Yeah, that would make sense. It's broken. Do you want to try this board? Is test one to? Oh, you've already. Okay, just
Yeah.
give me the
Yeah,
URL for that one.
For what?
For
For this?
the link, yeah,
Words? Sure.
so that I
Yeah,
can.
when you open the DevTools, it is broken.
Uh, so it must be that thing that we probably have to change the WebSocket
Yeah,
URL, which I will
I
give you
can
now.
I can upload the um, upload the file again. We just have
Yeah,
to invalidate the cache.
yeah, that's fine, no problem. So we can do that.
All right. Do you have the URL for the WebSocket?
Yeah, I'm just gonna. I was navigating to that and open
Yeah,
it.
this old one.
Actually, I can just go into my project and do it that way. Oh, I don't want Visual Studio.
To retest it since it probably wouldn't impact. Oh yeah, it would have impacted people's testing for sure. Although I
Yeah,
don't know if they used it together, then they might not have noticed.
true. Okay,
Why,
try this one.
why don't we use the GitHub Actions to do the deployments for S3?
Because we would have to set that up
I
again.
did set it up.
So, okay, I'm missing something now. I am missing. I have a
No,
gap.
I remember I set that up. I set up the GitHub Actions so that it would copy to S3 and then invalidate the cache whenever you push to GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it just after you deleted the stack, it
Yeah.
needed a few environment variables changed in there
Mm-hmm.
in order for it to work again.
Ah, so that was the
But
thing that, yeah,
I don't have
deleted it.
access to that. You do. Or
Okay,
maybe I do now because it's like it's not a personal repo anymore. But I don't know if I have the permissions.
yeah, you can have. Okay, so let's do first thing first and
Okay.
step by step.
I don't have it in my code. Do you remember the command
Of
to copy?
is AWS S3 CP, and then the file you want to copy from, and then the S3 address. So that would be in your current directory, yeah.
Then the address.
S3 // Scrambler frontend, as in with a hyphen in between. Yeah, there we go.
What's the? Do you know the command to invalidate the cache?
No,
Oh,
hang on, I'll have a.
it's fine. You can invalidate it manually.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's in the GitHub Actions actually, but you need the distribution ID.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about.
This is a rerun.
What happened?
GekDev said, "Is this a rerun special?"
He's on to us again. Alright, cool. So I am unauthorized from my own account. Wow, interesting.
We're just rerunning clips of like the best of last week.
Yeah. Nothing special. Just that. Okay, so I'm gonna invalidate the cache now.
Okay.
Alright, it's in progress.
Cool.
Almost there.
I cannot.
Alright. Okay, that's completed.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, so you wanna give me the board? You already
I
have,
did.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go into the board and okay. Can you see my one?
Mine's still loading. Okay.
我亲了眼中的眼睛5月20日3号
How about now?
I think it. No, it's still. Wait, what? Failed to load resource.
Column names. Oh. What's happening there?
What's this?
Welcome to beta testing. We started from one thing, led to another issue, then led to a second issue, and which led to a third issue.
What is going on?
Come on, we got this, Tori. So.
Yeah. Okay. Why am I getting 403? So does the dev board not exist?
You just created, isn't it?
No. I just went to a URL.
Oh. Okay, try to create the board properly, Tori.
That's weird though. It should kick me, if it's not a real board, it should kick me to the home page. You know?
That's another bug then.
But it was doing that before.
It wasn't.
No, like before we deleted the stack, like weeks ago. At least just yeah, it was. Yeah, it was.
Okay, must have forgotten it then. Interesting.
Is it dev board, right? Like this?
Hang on a minute. I'll just check in Postman. There's no board called as the dev board. Interesting. Hang on a minute.
Is someone going in there deleting? That would be funny.
Honestly, that would be hilarious if they're doing it. Okay, no.
No?
No.
There is a
It's
board.
not that.
No?
It's not the dev board,
okay.
no.
Let's just create a new one then. Are there any boards?
Oh, yeah. There are. There are a million boards.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, no. So someone's been creating boards?
Yeah. Blindly. Okay, yeah, there are no dev boards.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Why am I... Looks like there's some error.
What kind of error? Still front end board name. Because you can't find it. Yeah, that would make sense. We need to make the still front end public in S3.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do that. That's my fault. I should have remembered it.
How do you shouldn't that just automatically?
No, it doesn't do it automatically. Unless it's on the... So by default, all the objects in S3 are private unless you
Attached
Make them
policy.
publicly available.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go, Mr. Tory. That's
All
available.
right. Let's see if that works now. That was probably the problem then.
But if that was, then in the console, it should have said that can't access still front end.
it gave.
Let's check. Let's check.
Well, yeah. Now it brought me to the dev board.
There you go. Yeah, so that was a problem then, because it wasn't able to access the file.
Yeah, and now the WebSocket is connected.
Yeehaw! See, it works.
So
Okay, so
Yeah.
now I'm gonna go into the dev board.
I don't know if the name matters, but this is capital B.
Yeah. Just gonna
think it
go
does.
into- It must do, I think so too. Yeah. Can you see
Hey,
my...
I was making a note. Yeah, I was making a note.
There you go. Perfect. All right. Okay, cool. So WebSockets are working. Back to our ping pong one. Ping pong task.
Huh? How come it's not saving it? It's not saving it.
How
Why is it
many
not-
times are you pressing it?
I'm not getting. Well, it could have saved it, but I'm not seeing a pop-up.
This is getting very interesting.
I'm not seeing a confirmation.
Yeah, because it's not saving the notes for some reason. But why let's hit in a console. What happened?
I think it's the viewer.
How did they get the URL?
Just looked on the screen.
And
Up here.
typed?
Yeah.
Hide the URL, Tori, hide it. Did you fall?
What? How
Did
did
you
that
fall?
What?
Did you fall?
You played that noise. That's funny.
No, I didn't. I didn't. Honestly, I didn't.
You're kidding.
I didn't, honestly. Who else is on the stream?
No, you are totally messing with me, man.
No, I'm not. I
You
swear
gotta
to God,
be.
Tony. I
No.
swear to God, no.
God's gonna be angry then. 'Cause I
Huh?
don't believe you. God's gonna be angry. I don't believe you.
You don't need to because
You
I'm
played
not
that
lying.
noise. You
I
played
didn't play that noise.
How did that
You
happen?
actually farted.
No.
You actually farted.
then?
It was that loud. Here we go. What's happening? What's happening?
What is going on?
I muted you for a second and the voice stops coming. You were fine, Tori.
What is?
Alright, let's focus. I know for a fact it's you because you know how I muted you and then the voice stopped coming.
Oh, that was it. That was me. Man.
Alright, focus.
That was a bit much.
How much did you eat, Tori?
A lot, apparently. Oh man, my cheeks hurt from laughing now.
All right. So, try and save the board. Oh,
It was so
I can
loud in
smell
my
it until
headphones.
here. I can
It was
smell
so
it until
loud
here,
in my
Tori.
headphones.
Come on, man. This is gonna be the
Whoa.
highlight of the show.
So it's a
What?
joke? So somebody put this fart sound inside of
What?
somebody so
What?
yeah, look at that. That's why it was playing. I don't even
So
know.
how do they know? The
They
S3
inject
and
it-
all
they-
the on the pro.
Did they inject this? Look at I keep getting more farts. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's playing. Okay, I muted it. I muted the window. Okay, so now we have another problem.
Wow. All right, I'm gonna take this off. All right, I'm gonna take this project off public now. Hang on a minute. No, this is not happening. That is hilarious, honestly. Oh.
Do you think?
I know who it might be, to be honest.
So can you send?
What?
How did he get those? Like, did he use the WebSocket connection to send the file? I'm curious. Let's find out how he did this.
All right.
Let me check. Let me take a look here. Oh no! Did my DevTools freeze?
No, because I've just taken the site off.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That was fun. I was like, "Are you playing?" I thought you were playing a practical joke on me.
I thought. Oh, go back
What?
to the URL.
To what URL?
The
This?
prod question mark. Yes.
This is a
see,
WebSocket URL.
Yeah. So this is what might have happened. Look at that. Wow.
So he might. Oh wow! Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna go and delete the board as well.
It's chewing up all the resources on my computer.
Okay, I'm gonna
created
go and
many
delete
notes.
it. Hang on. I'm gonna go and delete.
My guess is that he attached the WAV file, the sound file to a note,
Yeah.
or
Yeah,
just
you'll
sent it
probably
via
do.
WebSocket. But it'd be funny if he could attach it to the note. But I don't know. I feel like maybe
I think it might not be through the
he can.
note.
Maybe
It
you can.
must be with the WebSocket because the board is up through the WebSocket.
Oh, true.
I don't know
true, yeah.
how
So
much
it must be
that
through the
makes sense.
WebSocket. No, yeah, because unless he
But
saved the
that was
notes,
really
man,
genius.
that's
Hmm?
funny. That's funny. Had me dying.
Mhm.
Had me dying. It was so loud in my headphone too. Like I couldn't hear anything else. All I heard was
To be honest, I might know who this is, but they're not coming on the comments at all. They're just doing it hiddenly. Wow, look at that. Yeah, take that, hacker.
So where
Blue
did
card,
this Canadian-
wave. So where did it
Yeah,
come from?
I think he's created. So just based on the pattern here, it looks like creating a card and then
Ah,
attaching
so creates
the
a card.
URL.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's that simple, actually. I'm guessing.
That's really genius of him, to be honest.
Yeah, it's funny.
So yellow card and then that file, and then blue card and then that file. Ah, so he's doing with every card. So
Yeah.
as soon as yeah.
I'm wondering if he's attaching it as a like. It's funny. Source. So here's the card. Tori was here. Or it's just maybe he's not attaching them to cards. He's just sending them through the WebSocket connection. Like, funny.
This is hilarious, to be honest.
Yeah, I don't see any content on the actual cards here, but like if I thought there was a way to look at what gets sent through the network WebSocket.
Is there any way to upload the file in the console?
Well, he could just do it in the dev tools.
Okay, I didn't know that. Which
Yeah, he
means-
could.
yeah. All right, let's go back to our WebSocket ping pong. That was really hilarious, though. I thought it
made
was
my day,
you.
actually.
Yeah, I honestly thought that it was you, but then I was.
I wish, man. I wish I could power like that. That's a lot, too. I
Yeah.
thought you were playing like a practical joke on me.
No.
Like
No.
you're just playing some sound in the background.
Yeah, but no, I wasn't. It was like,
Oh, here we go. Here, so Zane, I'm looking in the WebSocket like messages history.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go back up and let's see if okay. And oh yeah, so yeah, he just so he so he just injected like a script. What do you call that? Cross-site, whatever. Like he injected some JavaScript with the new audio play script. So we should. So I guess that means that when you're adding a card, and it's getting sent through the WebSocket, we're not sanitizing the cards in the back end to make sure something like this could happen.
We need to do that.
It would be bad because if it was a malicious person, they could, do a like attach a malicious link or something.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a really good point. We need to do
Good,
that. And
good to learn this through farting noises too.
yeah, yeah, true. That is like, and to be honest, I know who exactly, as in I can basically confirm who exactly did this because that has happened before in my personal website, and and as soon, oh, well, not the sounds, but a kind of a picture. Which was even hilarious, to be honest. And I was like, hang on, who? Who can this be? And then I
That's
found out how they did it.
Oh, so it is offline now. Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
it's offline. I've
so
taken it down.
basically all he needed to do was add this. Let me go here. All he needed to do was just add this script as
Mhm.
sorry, I went kind of dark there, but add this script to the as the text, or even
Mhm.
through the dev tools, and then when this script gets injected, then it's gonna automatically play the fart sound.
Yeah, yeah, that's basically it. Wow.
Do audio and then
New
play.
Orleans sound.
Yeah, so if we just I open this in here and play it, we should get a fart sound. Oh wow, what's going on? All right, let's
What?
play.
I think it's because it's not online, is it?
I think it's just so full. Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, I muted the browser. That's why.
Ah, okay.
No, not didn't play our sound. There you go.
There you go. That's how we did it.
That's how we did it. All right, so he just injected a script. So yeah, it just
Hmm.
needs to be sanitized on the back end so that you
Yeah.
can't just inject any JavaScript onto the notes and then send it.
Hmm. That was really genius of him, though.
That's funny.
Oh,
It was a
that
lot. Could you hear as much as I could hear?
I could. It was basically constantly going
Yeah.
off, constantly, and I was like, "Hang on, has Tori really had that much to eat, and the parts are that loud?" Oh.
That's funny.
That's basically the highlight of the show, to be honest.
Yeah, it was good. Oh, so he's also trying to clear the console. Okay.
Mm.
So that you can't open the console. But too bad for you, GecDev. I turned that off in my dev tools.
Oh, that's fine. GecDev isn't talking anymore.
Can't clear
That's
I preserve my console, so you can't clear it.
oh, on the face.
Um,
Oh man, yeah. All right. So this is hilarious, to be honest. As in, I I kept thinking, hang on, Tori would never do this kind of a thing as in far on the mic on the show and
This much.
constantly. And I was like, oh, he must have
And
had
keep
a
a straight face.
yeah. Oh.
You hear something? I don't hear anything.
And basically appeared to me that saying you're gone nuts. You need to go to a doctor to get your age checked. I don't hear nothing.
Yeah, what if I said that? I don't hear anything. I mean, what are you talking about?
But eventually, the kind of laugh you would give me, I could tell. That's a bit of a cheeky one. That, yeah, boy, I'm on you now. What you gonna do?
It's funny.
But anyway, yeah, back to the.
Heartbeat?
I thought you were about to say fart beat. Okay.
I'll never forget the time we got attacked. Attacked with.
Oh, and I actually thought that it was you because when I basically muted you, the noise stopped.
Yeah.
And I was like, Tori, it's you. But then I unmuted you and then muted you again. But then it kept on coming. But anyway, the heart of the WebSockets. Yeah. Let's go to this one and check how to implement ping pong.
I thought there was a example here, but maybe not anymore. Yeah, we already read this. I don't know why we cannot find an easy ping pong example.
So it tells us what is a ping pong and what does it do, but that's all. It doesn't really tell us how to implement it.
Yeah, is it something that's done automatically?
Okay. Do you want to maybe Google as in implement WebSockets ping pong?
Yeah, I did, and I didn't
Oh,
really
okay.
see that much.
Login and
Huh. Okay, let me go back to Google. I wonder if the AWS or Keep Alive.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I guess Keep Alive is if you get disconnected, it will automatically reconnect. So maybe that's different. I wonder if this LogRocket article has any info. Their articles are usually decent. Well, if we can't find the answer, then here I would say we should check out the AWS documentation again and see if they make mention of it.
All right, I will have a look.
Or yeah.
Website details. AWS WebSocket does not website. For the
Yeah,
client.
this is Socket.io.
So it's saying that actually I will share this link with you.
Mm-hmm.
So apparently for the server side, it only responds with Pong. For the client side, ping.
Yeah,
Get
so if we
tested with it.
ping from the client to say, "Hey, I'm still around," then
Mm-hmm.
we'll get a pong. But what it's saying is the lambda or the
Mm-hmm.
AWS, whatever the AWS. I guess it's not a lambda, but the AWS
Mm-hmm.
API WebSockets will not send a ping. They'll only send a pong.
To the client. They
Yeah.
only send a Pong that okay.
So you start you say ping, and then you get back a pong. You don't send a pong. You don't send a pong. You send a ping, then you get a pong back because
Mm-hmm.
the server would send the pong back in response to the ping. So it's always in that order. It's always ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Yeah. Well, that's good to know, though. But yeah, I was thinking just like from the client side, we just need to send a few pings.
Mm-hmm.
Closest assistant. Ping control. Really? Mm-hmm. I use the ping pong ID and it works nicely. Here's an implementation. Oh, but it's server side.
So we want a thing which is client side, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen it called the heartbeat. Or ping pong.
Oh, so it's got a 10-minute idle connection timeout.
Yep, that's what I was talking about. Yeah,
Yeah.
so
Oh,
if
okay.
you don't get if you don't send any data within 10 or don't get any data in 10 minutes, then the server will think you're not there, right? So it'll just disconnect.
That's server proof. Oh, okay. I've got a tutorial. I'm gonna check how that is. Just bear with me for a minute.
Okay. This does not use a ping pong strategy. Well, here's some code for reestablishing a connection after a connection is lost, which is just pocket over if this reconnect clear the time out on
how about if if the idle connection times out in 10 minutes, how about after we set timer on in the background, and as soon as it's about to be say 9 minutes, we prompt the user that please move your cursor if you don't want to be disconnected from the web. Oh, yeah.
Well, the cursor doesn't send a WebSocket message.
No, so the whole point is that for the user not to be idle more than a certain amount of time.
Yeah, but
So
they have to
Mhm.
send. I think receiving is fine, but they have to either send or receive a WebSocket message in order for AWS to know that they're still connected to the WebSocket.
But I thought that AWS will automatically disconnect after the user has been idle for 10 minutes, right?
That is right, but if they're idle, it means they haven't sent or received a WebSocket message in the last 10 minutes.
So idle, so basically they are defining idle by sending or receiving messages.
I believe I'm definitely sending. I believe receiving would also be included in that, but if it's in the spec, great. If not, I would assume receiving would also count.
I'm just thinking about the solution for it. So basically, they define idle by message being received or not. So as soon as the messages stop from both sides for more
Mhm.
than 10 minutes,
Mhm.
the WebSocket will disconnect.
Mhm.
Okay, interesting. Um, all right, we will probably have to come back to it tomorrow then, because
Sure. Yeah, I'll try to take another look at it, like client side.
yeah, that'd be awesome, man.
A lot of like Socket.io is a very
Mhm.
popular WebSocket library, and I'm pretty sure that type of thing would just come baked into the API.
I see.
But I thought
Yeah,
MDM had a heartbeat example in their documentation, but I don't know if they got rid of it.
I wouldn't know. I'll probably have to check that. But if they have it, then that would be our probably the go-to way, isn't it?
Yeah, I think well, all it really is you're just sending a message,
Mm-hmm.
I guess. That just the server just needs to know that you, that you're there. So I believe that's kind of it.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Let's revisit it tomorrow. And yeah, been a good session. Yeah, good
Yeah,
progress.
it was.
Hilarious moments. Yeah, really hilarious moments, which was fun. Yeah, thanks for joining, guys, and for the really, um, what should I say, a genius surprise.
The XSS attack.
Yeah. And yeah, so today we basically looked into made the WebSocket connection work, and we're just having a look at how to increase the WebSocket timeout time from to be more than 10 minutes. And yeah, that's basically it. If you want to join us tomorrow, feel free to on because we're going to be doing some really cool stuff. And yeah, thanks for joining, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Thanks, everybody. Have a great
Same
night.
time, same place, and
A different tab.
that's the one.